Hello and welcome to the Project Management Professional Training and Certification Program. I'm excited to have you on board this training program, and I believe you're as excited as I am because you're about to embark on a very exhilarating and exciting journey into the amazing field of project management. So in this program, we're going to be walking you through the various models step by step towards becoming a certified project management professional. And as you can see on my slide here, right on my screen, you have project management professional, a guide to the project management body of knowledge, which is the PMBOK. So we're going to be using the PMBOK, which is the guide used by all project managers from all around the world. Through years of experience, they've been able to put this guide together. It's actually a standard for executing projects seamlessly. So we're going to be referencing this material all through this program, and it's delivered by the Project Management Institute, the PMI. All right. So I believe you can see my slide. I have my slide all set, but let me enlarge it a bit further so you can see it more clearly. Just give me a second. Okay, so here you can see my slide much better now. So project management professional, a guide to the project management body of knowledge, presented by yours truly, Chike Onyekachukwu, FIMC, CMC, PMP. So I'll be facilitating this program on behalf of Mindware Consulting, an accredited training provider for Project Management Institute. So without further ado, let's look into the course outline that we'll be covering in this class. Okay, so now the course outline encompasses all that we'll be covering in week 1. All right, like I said, the program is divided into weeks, and each week has to do with models. All right, and in each model you have the sections for the training program. All right, so in this week we're going to be looking at Introduction to Project Management and the PMI framework. All right, so let's look at what the outline entails. Now firstly, we're going to be looking at the overview and purpose of this guide. Remember I said what we are using for this program is the PMBOK guide. In other words, the Project Management Body of Knowledge guide. We're going to be doing an overview of this guide and also looking at the purpose of the guide. And next, we'll be looking at the standard for project management. What are the standards in the field of project management? All right, so we'll look at that. Next, the common vocabulary. So we'll try to understand the terms that are used in project management. Communication is a very integral aspect of the project manager's job, so you need to understand the terms that are used in communication. Next, we'll look at the code of ethics and professional conduct. How do you conduct yourself as a professional, and what are the code of ethics? So we're going to look at that. Then foundational elements come next. So we'll look at what are those foundational elements that you need to put in place before carrying out your project. And then the next thing we'll discuss is the project and the importance of project management. So we'll look at what is a project, and then what is project management, and then also try to understand why these are important in our business landscape. All right, next we'll look at the relationship of projects, program, portfolio, and operations management. Then we'll look at the components of the guide. So what are the components that make up the PMBOK guide? And then lastly but not the least, we'll look at tailoring and the project management business document. Alright, so we'll see how we can be able to tailor the project management methodology that we'll be learning and bring it home to our specific projects to be able to apply it in real terms to what we are doing, and the documents that are actually being used as project managers to be able to get our work done. Alright, so all these are the things we'll be covering in this week and in this module, which is the introduction to the project management and the PMI. Alright, so without further ado, let's go into the sections. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.